Hi students. All right, I'm going to give you a little summary of what you're going to be doing this week. You have been informed of this, I think, in the previous video. So this week is the implementation and make your report week. So here we go. Week 11 and 12, it's pretty much the same thing. You're going to implement or share your technology enhanced lesson. Remember these lessons, this is a lesson that you wrote up in your lesson plan. So before you implement, you need to make sure that that lesson plan has been turned in and has been reviewed by me. So some of you still haven't turned those in. So I'm waiting on them, and you need to complete that survey that I've emailed out several times to let me know when you will be implementing. So we'll go to the implementation. Most of you are non-practicum students, so what you're going to be doing is sharing your lesson with one or more children that are elementary aged. If you couldn't do it in a special ed setting or ECE setting, if that applies to you, then that's fantastic. However, I know that some of you don't have your feet into the doors of school yet, so that's fine. Just make sure that you do it with children or a small group of children. And then you're going to be creating your presentation. So that explanation is down here, the Google presentation guidelines. Just follow these exactly, and there's an example template down here, so you can look through that. And there's the tutorial. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you have problems with it, I recommend going, well, if you know that you don't pick up on technologies quickly on your own, then I would watch the tutorial. And the last thing that you're going to do, well, so you'll submit your URL after you've embedded it onto the wiki page, and then you'll complete the video reflection. Now I want to give you a little heads up really quickly on week 13 and 14, so I'll quickly go to that. Part of what you're doing for week 13 and 14 is this internet safety assignment. That's going to require that you share what you learn from these videos. So you're going to be watching an hour of internet safety videos if you go into this assignment description here. And after you do that, after you've watched them, you're going to actually give a lesson to someone else. It can be an adult or it can be a child, and then you're going to be reflecting on it. So be prepared for an hour of internet safety video and then sharing it with someone else. So if you want to get a head start on that and do that over Thanksgiving break, I would highly recommend doing that, since you will be around other people most likely. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me or send me a private discussion on Digital Dialogue, and keep up the good work and have a great Thanksgiving if I don't talk to you before then.